Welcome to the Nevis newscast for Wednesday, January 27th, 2021. I am Freddie Liebert. The Federation of St. Kitts and Nevis continues to experience a gradual increase in the number of positive cases of COVID-19. As of Monday, January 25th, 2021, the Federation has confirmed 2 additional cases of coronavirus. The international travelers landed in the Federation on January 10th, 2021 from the USA. The patients have been in quarantine at one of the COVID-19 certified hotels since arrival. The patients were duly notified and are now in isolation. These additional cases bring the total number of COVID-19 confirmed cases to 37, with 25 cases for St. Kitts and 12 cases for Nevis. Please note that 35 cases have fully recovered with 0 deaths. There are now 2 active cases. These patients are stable and are being monitored. The risk of further cases occurring in the Federation remains very high. We continue to adhere to the St. Kitts and Nevis health travel protocols, which can be found at www.knatravelfarm.kn. All frontline workers continue to adhere to the COVID-19 protocols along the corridor of containment between the ports of entry and hotel or accommodation sites. The Ministry of Education is monitoring the increased cases of flu-like symptoms in students within our schools. Parents and guardians are reminded that children who develop flu-like symptoms should not be sent to school. Parents and guardians are further advised to seek medical attention or advice should these symptoms develop. These symptoms include, but are not limited to, fever, cough, runny noses, and muscle pain. Parents will be asked to immediately collect students from school who display these symptoms. As we continue to work assiduously to protect our staff and students, we encourage all stakeholders to do their part. We also encourage all to continue to practice protocols implemented which can mitigate any potential transmission of the viruses, such as the seasonal influenza or the COVID-19 virus. These include washing and sanitizing of hands, wearing of masks, and physical distancing. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs wishes to inform the general public that owing to changes in Barbados's general COVID-19 posture, the U.S. Embassy in Bridgetown, Barbados, has cancelled all non-immigrant visa appointments effective Thursday, January 28, 2021. If any persons have an urgent matter and need to travel immediately, they are asked to please follow the guidance provided at www.usvisainfo.com to request an emergency appointment. The MRV fee remains valid until September 30th, 2022 and may be used for a visa application in the country where it was purchased. The embassy will resume routine non-immigrant visa services as soon as possible, but is unable to provide a specific date at this time. The general public is asked to monitor the embassy's website and social media for updates. The Nevis Water Department will be hosting a staff retreat at the Nevis Performing Arts Center, NEPAC. Manager of the Nevis Water Department, Tanya Bartlett, went into detail about the retreat.
We will be having this on Tuesday, the 2nd of February 2021 at the Nevis Performing Arts Center, NEPAC, and we are hoping to start around 9 to 12:30. The whole objective of this retreat is to discuss plans and the expectations for the rest of the year. It will also help us to uplift our staff and show appreciation to them and give them a time to meet each other, interact, and share stories or whatever else they would like to do.
Bartlett spoke on the reason for the retreat.
I think it will help us start the year on a good front because the whole objective is to communicate, because we have had some issues in the past with communication, and I think that is something that we need to work on and involve staff more. So this will help to jumpstart pretty much the year and the whole new communication process. So to have staff more involved in the processes in the whole department, so they don't just feel like, oh, We're just here and we just show up to work. They actually have an input in the whole department. So it's our department, not just my department.
Meantime, the following is a notice from the Nevis Water Department in the Nevis Island Administration. The Nevis Water Department will be closed on Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. However, normal operating hours will resume on Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021. The Nevis Water Department apologizes for any inconvenience this may cause the general public. That's it for this edition of the Nevis Newscast. On behalf of all of us here at the Department of Information, I'm Fredicia Liebert. Thank you for viewing.